Hello friends, in chapter number 12 electricity we go through the another examples which is given in textbook illustration. Question number 11 or example number 11 says us that if the 100 joule of energy can be produced in each second, the resistance will be given is 4 ohm resistance. What will be the potential difference? We have the formula H is equal to I square RT, but here we have the formula R is equal to V upon I, but here we don't have electric current. So first we find the current with the help of formula H is equal to I square RT. When we make subject I square, it will be H upon RT. It means 100. RT, R means 4 and the time in each second. So we take small t is equal to 1 second. Each second means 1 second. When we calculate it, 100 by 4, 25. But here we have I square is equal to 25. So I is equal to 5 ampere. You can calculate with simple ways, so you cannot follow the method of textbook which is given in illustration, and you cannot find the value with the digest. You cannot go through with digest. You find it easily. So we cannot go through digest and textbook. Now we find voltage easily. V is equal to IR. I will be find out 5 ampere. I will be 4 ohm. So 5 multiply 4 is 20. V is equal to 20 volt. An electric bulb is generated with the potential different or voltage 220 volt. An electric bulb is generated with 220 volt. The current will be passes 0.50 ampere. What will be the power of electric bulb? First we write the information. We have the V is equal to 220 volt. I is equal to 0.50. So the power is simple, easy. When we write the formula, P is equal to VI, 220 into 0.5, 220 upon 5. We remove the point, 0 will be cancelled, it will be 110, the power is watt. Or you called it watt into joule per second, it will be watt. An electric generator rated 400 watt in all day, 8 hours per day. The cost of energy to operate it for 30 days at rupees 3 per kilowatt hour. What will be the energy is operated for 30 days at price 3 per kilowatt hour. According to our information, first we find the total energy in 30 days is equal to 400 into 8. If we write the units of volt, so we write 400 watt 8 hour per day into 30 days is equal to 400 into 8 into 30. So we get 96,000, but it is what into hour. We write it 96 into 10⁶ in this way, and we convert into kilowatt hour. We multiply it with 10⁻⁻3. So we get 96 kilowatt hour. But we find the cost of energy to operate it for 30 days at price 3 per kilowatt hour. So the cost of energy to operate refrigerator for 30 days at price 3 per kilowatt hour is equal to 96 multiply with 3 kilowatt hour per 3 rupees. Here we write 96 kilowatt hour into rupees 3. When we multiply 96 with 3, it will, when we multiply 96 with 3 per kilowatt hour, it will be 288 rupees. So the cost is 288. Textbook illustration, example number 11, 12 and 13. Now we go through textbooks examples. Example number 12. The information says us that several electric bulbs designed to be used on a 220 volt electric supply line are rated 10 watt. How many bulbs can be connected in parallel with each other across the two wires of 220 volt line if the maximum allowable current is 5 ampere? As like example number 10, we already solved example number 10. How many resistance can be connected? Same as, let's solve it. First, according to information, voltage is 220 volt and the power is 10 watt. So first we find the resistance with the help of voltage and power. R is equal to V square upon P. Here capital P, not small p given in the digest, so you have to correct for it, capital P. V square means 220 into 220 upon P is 10. 1 0 will be cancelled, it will be 4840. So we take resistance 4840. In information we have also given the ampere. Current will be passed in 5 amperes. So with the help of current we find total resistance. So our total is equal to V upon I. V means 220, I means 5. When we calculate it, 44. So we have our total is equal to 44 ohm. But we find how many resistance will be connected. So we have the formula for how many resistance will be connected. Our total is equal to R upon small n. We don't have to know the numbers of resistance, so we write it small n. When we make a subject small n, it will be capital R upon R total. Capital R means we find it 4840 and R total means 44. When we calculate it, we have to 110 n is equal to. So how many resistance will be connected? It will be 110 connected. And resistance, so you write it ohm, will be connected. Now we go through the example number 13. The information says us that a hot plate of an electric oven connected to a 220 volt line has two resistance coils A and B, each of 24 ohm resistance, which may be used separately, in series, or in parallel. What are the currents in the three cases? Three cases means electric current connected in series, both coils connected, first both coils, second connected in series, and third connected in parallel. Find one by one. We have to give the two information. V is equal to 220 watt. In each case, RARB. Both resistance are same. So R and RB is equal to 24 ohm. In first case, I will be V upon RA, or it will be V upon RB. 220 upon 24. So here we get I is equal to 9.166 ampere. Here there is 9. We find it and we go through the second case. If the resistances will be connected in series, we know the equivalent resistance in series is the sum of all resistance. So Rs is equal to Ra plus Rb. So Rs equal to 24 plus 24 is equal to 24 plus 24. So R is equal to 48 ohm. Now we find current easily. I is equal to V upon Rs. V means 220, Rs we find 48. So we get 4.58 ampere. In the case of series. Then we go through third. In case of parallel combination, first we find the equivalent resistance. It will be inverted form, reciprocal form. 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon Ra plus 1 upon Rb. 1 upon 24 plus 1 upon 24, it will be 2 upon 24. It will be 1 upon 12. So Rp is equal to 12. With the help of resistance, we find electric current easily. I is equal to V upon Rp. It is in parallel combination. 220 upon 12. So it will be 18.30 ampere. 18.33 ampere. I is equal to 18.33 ampere. You find the values of electric current in each cases, means 3 cases. First, it will be same resistance and it will be connected in series, 4.58 ampere, and it will be connected in parallel combination. It will be 18.33 ampere, not ohm. You have to find the values of electric current, resistance, voltage, power with the help of formulas. First of all, you remember the formulas, then find it. You don't miss the formula, and when you don't know the formula, what is the formula can be applied, you can't calculate the example perfectly. So you have to notice here, you have to write the whole formulas first. You remember all formulas, remember by heart, and then apply with the examples. You can calculate it easily.